Huobi token cost today as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Huobi token is $5.08, and HT is buy and buy position no. 56 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Huobi token is 162,233,844 HT, with a market cap of $824,639,015.24. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 4 cents in its ongoing worth. Huobi token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. HT has fallen by practically 1.68% over the most recent 7-day. With worries about the related dangers escalating in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could areas of strength for half. Inside the last month, the cost of HT has diminished by 5.27%, killing an incredible normal amount of 27 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy speculation. Huobi token value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Huobi token costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Huobi token will be $7.22. The most extreme level that the HT cost can reach is $8.64. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $7.42. Likely return for capital invested. 69.7% by HT value conjecture for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Huobi token toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical HT pace of $5.31 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $4.85 and at $5.46 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 7.3% by February 2023. Huobi token value figure. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the HT cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $5.27, while the greatest could reach $5.73 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Huobi token may be around $5.52. Likely return for capital invested, 12.6% by HT value conjecture for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Huobi token in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal HT rate they foresee may be around $5.74 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $5.49 as a base. The greatest worth may be $6. Likely return for capital invested, 17.9% by April 2023. Huobi token value figure. Around mid-year 2022, the HT cost will be exchanged at $5.91 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Huobi token worth to $6.29. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $5.71 in April 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 23.6% by HT value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Huobi token costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $6.09. The least and pinnacle HT rates may be $5.89 and $6.59. Possible return for capital invested, 29.5% by June 2023. Huobi token value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the HT cost will be around $6.34. In June 2023, the Huobi token expense might drop to at least $6.08. The normal pinnacle worth may be $6.83 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 34.2% by HT value gauge for July 2023. Having broke down Huobi token cost, digital currency specialists expect that the HT rate could arrive at a limit of $7.15 in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $6.26. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Huobi token is almost $6.46. Possible return for capital invested, 40.5% by August 2023. Huobi token value conjecture. Around mid-2022, the Huobi token expense will be exchanged at the typical degree of $6.59. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the HT cost could change somewhere in the range of $6.34 and $7.47. Possible return for money invested, 46.8% by HT value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Huobi token worth won't dip under at least $6.47. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $7.73. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $6.72. Likely return on initial capital investment, 51.9% by October 2023. Huobi token value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of HT costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Huobi token will be around $8, with a chance of dropping to at least $6.74. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $6.99. Possible return for capital invested, 57.2% by HT value figure for November 2023 in light of the value changes of Huobi token toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical HT pace of $7.20 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $6.95 and at $8.28 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 62.7% by December 2023. Huobi token value gauge. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the HT cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $7.22, while the most extreme could reach $8.64 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Huobi token may be around $7.42. Expected return for capital invested, 69.7% by Huobi token value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Huobi token in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Huobi token will be around $10.28. The greatest expected HT cost might be around $12.35. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $10.57 in 2024. Huobi token value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Huobi token. In 2025, HT is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $14.64 and $17.66. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $15.06. Huobi token value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Huobi token and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base HT cost could drop to $21.35, while its most extreme can reach $25.53. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $22.10. Huobi token value expectation 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Huobi token by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least HT costs are normal in 2027, $37.13 and $30.39. Overall, it will be